Oh shit! It's a crab.
Get him, man. Get him. Wait, let me get him. Let me get him. Wait. Let me get him.
Wait. That's a big one too.
Let me get him. Where he at?
He just.
Hold on, I see him.
He right there. You gotta be quick.
I gotta let him get close.
No, he going away.
Go at
I
it.
can't see him. I need him polarized glasses.
Just snatch him.
Damn, he moved.
Oh my gosh.
He's silly.
Garbage. Guess he went in line. He said he felt something. Oh, right there.
I get him out of the water. I can get him.
Well,
I wish the water could be clear enough.
I can't see his butt.
he keep going under that dirt, I think.
I see him right there.
Right there.
He quick.
Yeah, get in.
Right there.
Get him. Right there.
Do this.
Where he
He
at?
can go touch me
Right there.
bite you.
Right there.
Who did that?
Ryan.
Right there.
Go down here.
Where he at?
I think he's right there. Right here. Wait. That's a cat.
Yeah. You gotta grab him. You see how I grab him? Yeah. You gotta bite you,
He
man.
got a big claw, Mom.
Yeah, you gotta grab him like this, bro. You see how I'm grabbing it?
Yeah.
Like that. This is called a stone crab, alright? This is stone crab. This is not blue crab. You grab him like this, bro. It's gonna bite you.
Get him from behind, right?
Yeah, you see how I'm grabbing the little
Yeah,
claws?
like that right there.
Yeah, you see? That's it, dog.
Thank
Oh,
you.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Oh man,
And it's
stone
heavy, too.
crab.
There's a lot of meat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
They very expensive crabs.
I saw Damien friend didn't get those crabs.
Stone crab.
Stone, yeah.
stone crab.
You
And
just
they
pick.
got blue crab here too.
Yeah, we just saw a little baby one in there. I couldn't catch him.
Oh yeah, I'll be catching them.
Oh, yeah?
I sell them.
You sell him?
Yeah, Zebos.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
And
that's your store, Zebo?
That's my parents. They be selling.
Oh, I used to go there all the time.
That's the spot, man.
Yeah, Zebo's.
Yeah.
Bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Don't you put him back in the water?
I'm finna range him.
The water is gonna fall out.
Yeah.
We're gonna rinse him off.
Finna range him. Ain't that what the old folks say? You wanna range him?
You know what picture it?
No, stop worrying about it, baby.
Oh.
He was ready to go.
He was ready. He so tried. Stone crab. This is a stone crab.
Don't.
You should eat him.
You can't eat the whole crab. You eat his claws. You break his claws off, and they grow back. You take the biggest one off, so you take that one off.
I thought that was
Ready to
only
bite
his
the
legs.
mess. Let's see if he gonna bite.
Get that. Hey, cuz. Hey, cuz. This is a male crab, too.
Or he can bite a shell.
Who want to hold a stone crab?
No, I do.
Go from out of water though.
Or you can hold it like this.
What the heck?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Dad. Ooh, he's doing bubbles. Spit bubbles. Crab bubbles.
You see a crab? Where?
I thought he was for real.
Where you see the crab at?
I thought he was down here in the water.
Way over here? Where though?
He looks out there, then he must go back inside the water.
Really?
Crabs. I catch shrimp. I catch fish. And I eat it all. I eat it all. I eat it all.
That does not
I eat
rhyme.
it all. I eat it all.
Oh, they got the lick. Down there.
What's up, YouTube channel? We're here at the beach. I'm playing at the beach. Playing at the beach. Playing at the beach. Now. I'm playing at the beach. Playing at the beach. Playing at the beach. Yeah.
And pose. And pose. Strike a pose. Strike a pose. 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 What? Without falling. Pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. Lovely. Lovely.
Okay, picture me.
He's spreading his wings.
Okay, picture me.
And pose. Pose.
Yeah.
Grabby. Grabby and pose. And pose.
I just get my
Daddy. And pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. And pose. Language, man.
It's such all there.
Let him. Leave him. He can't get too far. Somebody can't get. Oh, Back up.
Look at that snail.
Let him go.
Scared of you, cuz?
Let him go.
Look at that snail.
You gotta back up with your little snail. You like you got a snail, huh?
Give me him.
Hey, like, don't throw my face inside the dirt like that, though. Who is that? Oh, heck you dog. What? It's a bee. Oh, it's a bee. I like this bee. It's another one. Oh, that's another one.
Daddy done killed.
Can I pick it up? Put stuff on it? No, I'm gonna pick it up. Can I pick it up, Daddy?
I know where to bring him back.
Just put him in the water. Let's rescue him.
Let's eat him.
We're gonna be a good Samaritan.
No, not eat him.
You see how quick you putting the things together?
Put him on the rock.
Whoever said don't let it back inside the water, that's a good idea.
Let him get a little moist.
Go, bro.
Wow. Now we letting you go now.
Look. Mama can eye it. Mama can say, Mama, look. Mama and I got a sound he came out.
You gotta taste it. Look, he's finna get it. He's finna get it. You gotta taste it.
Nah, I think he done off.
No, he moving. See, he moving.
You getting his life
Wait,
back.
wait, that's a crabber.
I know what to give it back to him.
Get out the sunlight.
Ooh, bruh. See, I'm trying to save you, cuz.
Get out the sun. Get out.
When I wake up,
Say, yes, sir. Oh, there you go. He gone. Bye, little buddy.
now he moving.
Okay, with your sideways walking out. Eat. Crab walk. Crab walk. Get that skill.
Crab walk.
Crab walk for me.
He robbed.
Bye, buddy.
Y'all say bye to Mr. Crab.
It's not gonna be bugs. I'm not eating.
Catch him. Oh, he gone.
Arr.
Where he went? Down there? Bye. See you later. Bite this rock, Daddy? He's here.
Yeah, he's scared of you.
Daddy, want this rock?
No, he's not.
What about this rock, Daddy?
Eat
Hey,
it.
let me see.
You gonna eat it?
We should let him free.
Yeah. There you go, son.
You feel like a little roach.
He's so small.
Get out the sun, baby. Get out the sun.
He's so small with a medium small claw.
Nah, I can actually still see him.
Alright. Who ready? Who ready to turn back with me? Dang, this all the way down here.
You a boater. And you back there, too.
Uh-huh.
The time.
It's 4K.
I can't believe we gotta walk all the way down there. Wait, so we gotta walk straight ahead?
Back.
Yeah, I need to go with now.
Back. We've come a long way for a very long time.
We gotta go all the way back there.
This little cave look cool. So y'all,
That look like
mark on my crap. Look at this.
Yeah, rinse your hands off. Wash your hands. Wash your hands, boy. Get all the dirt off.
I got crap. Look that way. Then why not get it?
just look under the rocks. You just seen me lift a rock up and you seen all them crabs. So look for the shaded areas. Ooh, that one. Crab. Oh, look at the babies.
Where? Wait, I got it. I got it. You already got one.
Right there, right there.
Got it.
Whole bunch under that one.
Ah! I got it.
Watch out. Easy to
You know,
find crab.
You know, I got a crab for you. You know,
Right there.
Here, I caught Naya crab, but she don't
Don't
want it.
lift up the biggest rock. You can lift up a small rock and find
Damn,
a
the
crab.
crabs, I got a fish.
Can't take them nowhere. Just out exploring. I've gotten to the point where nature is extremely fun. Could spend money to have fun. Why? The world is yours. And everything in it. It's out there. Get on your grind and get it. Yeah. Hands in the air.
When you come to Colombia,
I don't know what song he's singing. Oh, that water is clear. Look at that.
I'm putting it on the chicken
oh look,
What?
he moving fast. That's a real crab. That's a blue crab.
Right there. Juicy.
I'm all with.
Oh, I see another crab.
See how fast he moving? He just went. Oh, there he go.
I found another crab.
You don't see? It ain't gonna hurt. Look. Look.
This one trying to hold a grip on me. On my finger.
He gonna pinch you.
We're just out enjoying nature.
Daddy, my crab. Daddy, my. I'm walking 20 miles per hour.
We did not walk on 20 miles per hour. We are slow walking, exercising, getting our bodies in motion.
Hey,
Huh?
he got 2 claws on me.
They over there kayaking. Oh, she in the water with it.
Look, he got 2 claws on me.
What, they trying to talk to them?
He got 2 claws on me.
Ryan,
Ouch.
take him in the back. Take him in the back, Ryan. Ryan.
Hey, y'all wanna go swimming?
Yes, sir.
She tripping. I'm not going out there.
Yeah, and the sign said no swimming.
It damn sure do. That means there's stuff out there that'll eat your ass.